Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. So today's episode, we're going to continue on the interior of the camper here. What we're going to do is we are actually going to be putting in the upper cabinets, and getting those installed, hopefully getting the face plates on and just getting them done. So let me show you what I've been up to. All right, what I did is, you saw me put this one up, so I just made a frame to go across there and then another one to go across here. So next thing that I got to do is I got to build a face plate so the doors can actually go onto. And let me get you set up because I do have it made already. I just got to slap it on. So let me put it on and I'll kind of show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so there we go. I got the faceplate on. So here's what's going to happen is I'm going to have actually two cabinet doors. I'm going to have one over here and one over here. And then I'll use some recessed hinges or whatever, so I can just grab the handle and lift it up and it will stay open. But that is what it's looking like. Now the next thing I need to do is I do need to build the two face plates for these side cabinets here as well. And then, yeah, after I get all those built, then I'll go ahead and start putting like the 1/4-inch plywood underneath and on the sides to kind of conceal it and hide it and make it look better. Is what I did underneath here is I left a little bit of a groove. So when I do put the plywood on, there will be a little bit of just a little bit of groove, and it will compensate for any unevenness that this has. And it will just kind of look a little bit better, at least to me. Alrighty, so here we go. I got the face plates just temporarily put on. So we got door here, door there. Go over to the back, we got a door that's gonna go there and there. And then over here, a door there and there. So that is what we are looking like. Let's get to moving. Alrighty, so as you can see here, I have everything all painted and good to go. I got the face plates here, all done up for the cabinets. And then here are the face frames, and these are all painted up. We chose this more charcoal color just because we think it would look good. So yeah, and then the face of this, I painted this as well, just because that will be visible. And then I was gonna make this so it flipped up the bench here, so it flipped up and everything, but I'm actually not going to do that. We decided that we're just gonna put some totes and stuff underneath there and then use like a curtain or something that will match the inside of the camper for the covering and stuff. So, but that's kind of where we're at. So let me Let me get you all set up here, and I'm gonna start putting the faceplates here onto the cabinet doors, or no, the cupboard doors onto the faceplates, and then hopefully get those installed. Alrighty, and here we go. I got all the faceplates in, and the doors on, and this is what it's looking like. Whoops, I gotta get some stoppers. But these will fold up, and it's a soft close down. I will be putting on supports that hold these up, but for now, they are working good, and they are getting done. That one holds up, but yep, there we go. Yeah, this is the color that we chose right here for the cabinets. It gives a good, just a good contrast color to all the other, all the white or the cream or whatever color you want to call it. It gives a good contrast of that. So this is where we're at, and yeah, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and end the video here. But anyway, thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you could, drop a comment down below, and if you could hit the thumbs up, that'd be great. And we will check y'all next time. See you later. Peace.